shopping.
Big C.
We went to Big C. This is Big C, our usual shopping centre.
It is
this
exciting.
is very exciting. We went to go and buy ingredients for
The most exciting video ever!
baguettes and stuff like that.
Look!
And we did a lot of shopping,
Spent a lot of money.
a lot of damage, and we just came back from. Where did we come back from?
Oh, cat cafe!
Best
place in the world.
Macaroons and lots of cats. We can play with them as well.
You don't eat
Jenny's
the cats
dream.
though.
You can eat the cats
No.
though, because Asians eat cats.
That is gonna work though.
Right, yeah. We put them in dim sum.
Have you eaten cat before?
Maybe.
Have you?
You've eaten cat before.
In dim sims they have cats.
Oh my god, I don't think I can be friends with you anymore. Are you being serious? Oh, I'm serious. I still don't think I can be friends with you.
But I've eaten dog though.
Have you? Wow.
I'm just kidding.
That's exciting.
This is our picnic.
Yes it is. Yes it is. No cats or dogs.
Look how much
here.
food.
How's
No
this
cats or
work?
dogs.
Did this come off?
There we go.
Let's film Amy taking a look at the back.
Hello everybody at the Songkla Zoo. Here's the rhino. Ban it. Alright. See you. Going
To the waterfall.
to the waterfall. Yep. Hello.
Hello.
The
Going
worst
to
I
the
could go
waterfall.
again.
Can you see the other two? Meh, meh, meh.
Just want us to go there.
God doesn't want us to go to the waterfall.
Rob, cancel. Someone else cancelled it before. Rain almost cancelled us. Pete's bike cancelled us.
Pete's tyre was flat, so we're waiting. And they're pushing their bike. I think I can see it. Oh, they are. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Was it yum? Which one did you eat? We finally made it to the waterfall. Yay! Yeah. With lots of snippets. Made it.
In the one in the top. Then you go to the cafe and you bite your feet. Yeah.
We're at Greenway and I want to take you guys home. Oh, this one. So cute. These ones look cute, but you can't see their faces.
Look at this one patting his paws. Yeah.
Look at another one.
I know, they're both so cute.
That's a cool cat.
What cat? What breeds are they? Do you know? We are in the Sky Buffet, and this is the top view,
Hi.
and everyone's dressed really beautifully.
That's the second view.
Highs.
Hello.
Second view.
Second view.
You're videoing. Oh.
There's for a while.
Oh, you're amazing. Just the way you are. You are.
That's the wine. It was like drinking vinegar. That wine was shocking. What was?
Amazing. Just the way you are.
Doing a bit of go-karting today on a Saturday morning. Who's excited for go-karting?
Go-karting.
Don't get too excited.
Well, I'm fine. I'm not being excited.
No, I'm not snapping fingers off. Hello, monkeys. holding your hand. You're right. Oh my god.
Properly, what's up?
Hey,
That's what you're doing?